Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today I am planning in my journal, which is the Wild Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. This was this past week. I haven't written in that yet, but I will soon. And now I am going to be planning for the week of June 7th through the 13th. I did decide to go with the Live Love Posh sticker book, and look at these florals. Don't they scream like transitional spring to summer type of stickers? I mean, oh my goodness. I just absolutely adore Jessica's flowers. Jessica is the creator of Live Love Posh. I've been using so many florals from her and I really love it. They're bold and beautiful and a little bit different. So these peachy looking ones, I'm going to put them in a corner, and again, as always, this planner is very much a freestyle for me. I don't really have a structure in here because I never know what's going to happen within a week. So I just write around my stickers as I place them. This decoration is purely for my enjoyment and nothing else. Obviously, we can write in any single planner without the stickers, but the stickers make it so much more fun. I was thinking of maybe recording my morning planner routine for you guys, so I do go through a few things in the morning before I head out to work. I open my planner and I go through my daily catch-all planner, and then I will go into my wellness and just complete that from the previous day, like putting how many steps I did, or putting how, like, my dinner if I didn't do that, or my mood, or filling in any of the missing spots. And then I go into my journal and journal about the previous day and my social media, and I figure what's needed there, and then I usually go through my budget. So, and the budget is not necessarily of every day, but if I know I have bills due, that's what I do. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know down below and I'll shoot a quick video of my morning planner routine so you guys can see how that is for me. Okay. And like I said, this will be a very quick video because these stickers are so easy to decorate with. So if you want like a quick and easy spread, this is like, those are the sticker books to go to your flowers. You never can go wrong with them. And as long as you don't put too many, you're good to go. Okay, I'm gonna add that planner. Look how beautiful that is. And then there. What do you guys think about this spread? I truly love it. I think it's so much fun and so beautiful, and the simplicity and elegance of it really speaks to me. So I think that's all I have for you guys. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you truly enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making this with you. And I will, well, let's see, maybe I can add some boxes. I'm not sure. I'm not completely sure if I want boxes in here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it be. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Bye!